So, what exactly is digital product? Digital product is any product that you can deliver digitally. What that means is with digital products, you will not be thinking about shipping a physical item. Every product will either be delivered through an email or a link. With digital product, you do not have to think of handling shipping or handling any physical product because everything will be done digitally and online. And one fun thing about digital product is once you are able to create your digital products, you literally will make money anytime, any day, even while you are at sleep. I mean, that is literally the dream, right? However, the most important thing is knowing exactly what you want to create. So these are some digital product ideas that can help you earn passive income. We have, even though planners seems to be a very broad category, you can be able to make specific planners like fitness planners, meal planners, progress planners, behavioral planners. You can make specific planners. You can make your planners very specific with specific purpose, specific design, and specific ideas. So planners, affirmations are also digital product that does so well because most people, if not everyone, loves affirmation. So you can sell digital affirmations. It can be printable such that they can cut it to preferred sizes, or it can be used digitally. And guess what? For affirmations, you can also make your affirmation specific. So it could be affirmations for students, affirmations for pregnancy, affirmations for business person, affirmations for mothers. It can also be religious affirmations, affirmations with Bible verses. I love that one so much. So yes, affirmations. Daily trackers. Daily trackers is another selling digital product. Journaling. There are different types of journaling out there. You can decide to make minimalistic journaling. There are pregnancy journaling, chemo journaling. So these journals cater to, chemo patients while they are receiving their chemo treatment. Pregnancy journal during every phases of pregnancy. Most pregnant women would love to journal. I remember that I also tried journaling during pregnancy, so that would also be a good journal. Coloring book is another beautiful one. There are different ways to go about the coloring book part. You can either create a template and then whoever buys it works with your template and then develops and sell, or you can even create a coloring book, upload it on Printify, and Printify handles the printing and delivery. So coloring book is another thing you want to explore. YouTube checklist. I also made a YouTube checklist. I made it as minimalistic as possible. This is to cater to people that wants to start YouTube but do not know where exactly to start. So I made a YouTube checklist where I listed the basic steps you will need to take to start a YouTube channel, and it is very useful. So you can also do that. Social media templates is another digital product that is really doing so well. You might have come across beautiful TikTok carousels or Instagram reel carousels. That can also be created on Canva and sold. Social media templates are doing so great. And guess what? You can also sell templates for YouTube intro and outro, guys. Very easy to make on Canva, and you can also sell that as a template. Another digital product that you can make and sell is payment tracker, fueling tracker. Do you know that you can make a tracker that can help people track their fuel consumption? These are things that you can make digitally and you can sell digitally. So guys, with these few ideas of mine, please don't sleep on this. Start creating. Do not sleep on these ideas. You have the tools in your hand. Start creating, put it out there. And with time, you will start enjoying your passive income. I hope that you find this video very helpful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. And by the way, what digital product are you interested in? What digital product are you thinking of selling? I would love to hear about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.